வெல்கம் டு ஆல் 22 அக்டோபர் 2024 நடந்த ஏஓ எக்ஸாமோட ஆன்சர் கீ வேகமாக பார்த்துடலாம் வாங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஷின், சென்ட்ரல் சோசியல் வெல்ஃபேர் போர்ட் CSWB was set up in 1953 option B. Second question, unit of two or more people in reciprocal communication and interaction with each other, option B, group. Third question, this type of evaluation is carried out by the agency responsible for the planning and implementation of the programming. Internal evaluation. Answer is option C. Fourth question, it is the process of involving local people in the analysis and the interpretation of a rural situation. Option C, participatory rural appraisal. Fifth question, the individual responsible for economic conference of Mysore was Dr. M. Visvesvaraya. Next, expand HYBP, high yielding varieties programming. அடுத்தது ORP stands for operational research project தான் என்னன்னா ORP. ATIC stand for அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க Agriculture Technology Information Center. The relative speed which an innovation is adopted by members of a social system is rate of adoption. Quality is characteristic of triads possessed by an objective called attributes. The adopter category who are all referred as skeptical. Option C, late majority. 12. Communicative between two people through computer electronic mail. 13. Meeting the information needs of the farmers by providing daily prices of agriculture commodities in various manless market for helping the farmer to decide where the sell his procedure. Option B, Akmarnet. அடுத்தது 14. Which of the following is a traditional and simple aid of communication? Option B, puppet show. 15. It is a system signals for communication. Option B, code. 16. These are all visual symbols for summarizing, comparing, contrasting or performing other service in explaining subject matter. Option B, charts. 17. These are in the shape of circles and used to show how several parts make up the whole. Option A, pie charts. 18. Out of school system of education for adults and youth. Option C, adult education. 19. Dash identify three types of basic motivating needs: need for power, need for affiliation and need for achievement. Option B, MC Land. 20 question, it is a way of showing people the value or worth of an improved practice whose success has already been established in the research station. Answer is option B, result demonetization. Which is one does not fall under 5 C's of credit அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா option D, coordination. 22. Even when each year of a loan repayment period passes by, the principal component remains constant in the case. Option D, amortized even repayment plan. 23. The cooperative credit societies in India were organized based on the model of Raiffeisen. Option B. What is CRR? CRR means option A, cash reserve ratio தான் என்ன அப்படின்னா CRR. 25th question, differential interest rate scheme என்னது DIR was implemented by the commercial banks from 1975. 26. The first cooperative societies accept was passed in option B, 1904. Expand SFDA. SFDA என்ன option B, small farmers development agencies. 28. The Reserve Bank of India was established in the year option C, 1935. 29. This method of computation of depreciation is used for livestock asset. Option D, annual revaluation method. 30. The demand for environmental quality is option A, income elastic. 31. Which of the following types of budgeting is used to analyze the accepted change in profit for a proposed minor modification in the existing organization of farm business? Option C, partial budget. 32. The additional income received from using an additional unit of input is option C, marginal value of product. The inflection point is point at which option C, MPP is maximum. 34. Give the regression model yi equal to beta plus beta 2 x2i plus beta 3 x3i plus ui. How would you state the new hypothesis to test that x2 has no influence on y with x3 held constant? Option B, h0 beta 2 equal to 0. 35. Which of the following is the ratio worked out to analyze the financial safety of a farm business over a long period of time? Option B, net capital ratio. 36. What happens to AVC when AFC decreases? Means option A, AVC first decreases and then increases. AVC first decrease agum, adukapra increase agum. Next, 37. The elasticity of production is 0 when option D. Answer option D, MPP is 0. 38. Which of the following is included in computing cost A2? Option C, rental value leased in land. 39. The demand for farm machines is a option D, derived demand. 40. The following one is included in the administrative management decisions. Answer is option B, accounting and supervision. 41. Under sheet village concept, the farmers are eligible to produce the following kinds of seeds. Answer option D, above all. 42. The physical or chemical method of softening the hard seed coat to make it more permeable to water is called as option B, sacrification. 43. The movement of colloidal particles through a fluid under the action of an electrical field is called option C, electrophoresis. 44. The minimum weight submitted samples for determination of genuineness of varieties through grow out test of bajra and jute species of all other genera is A, option A, 25 grams. 45. As per the ISTA, a minimum number of seeds to be tested from germination is option C, 400. As per the ISTA, additional recommendation of breaking dormancy of tomato in seed testing is option C, GA3. 47. Hot seeds are normally founded in which of the following crop seeds on generation test? Option B, black gram. 48. State seed testing laboratory is notified under the of the Indian Seeds Act 1966. Option B, subsection 3 of section 8. 49. Minimum germination requirement reserved for certified seed of pre-earned millet is option A, 75%. 50. Which of the following machine is not used in preconditioning and pre-cleaning operation in seed processing? Option B, maize cellars. 51. In the 3-line hybrid seed production system, dash line is referred as pollinator. Option C, or line. Plants are of cultivated crops found in the seed field and whose seeds are so similar to the crop seed that it is difficult to separate them economically by mechanical means are termed as option A, objectional wheat plants. Nucleus seed of inbred lines are maintained by method dash. Option C, selfing and sibling. 54. A layer of nutritional tissue of diploid maternal origin arising from the nucleus is referred as peripherum. 55. Which of the following is designated disease of bajra? Option B, green ear. 56 questions. Moisture content of seeds higher than recommended level leads to option D, all of the above. 57. Number of planets to be observed for completing one field count in respect of same seed crop during field inspection is option A, 1000 plants. 56 questions. Minimum seed certification standard prescribed for germination percentage of block diagram certified seed is option B, 85%. 59. Maximum ODV, no kilogram of speed prescribed for soybean certified seed is option B, 20 no gram of seed. 60. The seed control order was passed in the year option C, 1989. 61. Podalization process usually occurs in option B, statement 1 and 2 and 3 are correct. 62. At what tension capillary water is held by soil practicals? Option B, 0.12 31 bars. 63. Apatite is a group of minerals which mainly contains option D, phosphate. 64th question. A non-hemi ion sulfur protein occurs in a chloroplast is option C, ferredoxine. 65. Universal soil loss equations USLE is used to compute option C, soil erodibility. Next 66. Soil compaction increases the dash of soil. Option C, bulk density. 67. As per ISS's system of soil practical classification, the size of slit practical is dash. Option C, 0.022 to 0.002. 68. Land use planning can be achieved through option D, all of them. 69 questions. Dash is the ferromagnesium silicate mineral having a single chain of tetrahedron abdina. Option D, ferroxens. 70. The most suitable analytical method for estimating available phosphorus in acid soil is dash method. Option B, Bray and Kurtz. 71. The electrical conductivity of soil is measured in option B, D, second meter power minus 1. 72. Breakdown of indole acetic acid IAA is favored by the excess concentration of option A, manganese. 73 question. The method of assessing gypsum requirement to reclaim soidic soil was proposed by option A, over. 74. The lowest category in the land capability classification system is option A, capability unit. 75th. The growth expansion equation of y equal to m1 minus r power x is given by option A, Mitzerlig. 76. In soil fertility evaluation, Aspergillus-Niger method is used for which nutrient? Option A, phosphorus. The relationship between osmotic pressure and electrical conductivity for salt mixtures in saline soils is given by the relation option A, OP atmosphere boss equal to 0.36 into EC T Sm power minus 1. 78. The sodium hazard of irrigation water is calculated by option A, ZAR. 79. The ratio of electrical conductivity of applied water and drainage water is known as option B, leaching requirement. 80. Bench tracing is usually practiced on slope ranging from option C, 16 to 32%. 81. The nursery area required to raise seedling for planting 1 hectare of kumbu is dash cents abdina. Option C, 75 cents. 82. The relation of agriculture crops and physical environment is called as option B, agroclimatology. 83. The important field operation in sesame crop cultivation for including basal branches is option D, nipping. 84. If Mexican crop is planted with a spacing 60 into 30 cm, the plant population for 1 hectare is option A, 55. 555. 85. The recommended spacing for Bengal gram in Tamil Nadu is option A, 30 cm in 10 cm. 86. The recommended pre-emergence herbicide for irrigated ragi is dash kilogram AI by HA. Oxyfluorophane at 0.0 kilogram AA and HA. Answer is option A. 87. Application of calcium sulfate at dash kilogram HA is recommended for groundnut crop in Tamil Nadu. Answer is option C, 400. The recommended dose of fertilizers for hybrid kumbu is dash kilogram NP2O5K2OHA. Answer is option B, 80 is 40 is 40. The seed requirement of green manure crop in rice cum green manure seeder is dash kilogram by HA. Option D, 20. The recommended dose of fertilizer for hybrid maize is dash kilogram NP2O5 and K20 by HA. Answer is option A, 250 is 75 is 75. 91. The ideal sowing time for wheat in Tamil Nadu is, answer is option A, 15th October to first week of November. The process of separating list from seed cotton is called option B, ginning. In India, the most commonly grown maize type is option B, flint corn. India is divided into 15 agroclimatic zones based on option D, physiography and climate. 95. The short range weather forecast is for a period of option A, 1 to 2 days. The condition of atmosphere at given time and place with reference to temperature, pressure, moisture, wind speed and direction is option C, weather. The lower layer at the atmosphere is referred to as option D, troposphere. Soil muckling reduce, option D, all of the above. 99. The refers to growing of a crop with the least possible soil disturbance during tillage operation. Answer is option B, minimum tillage. 100. The prediction of forecasting monsoon rainfall development a few hours to 48 hours is answer is option A, short range forecast. Next 100 question next video la paakalam. Thank you, thanks for watching.